I'll teach you a song about this sound. Jelly and jam, jiggling on a plate. Oh, what would I eat with it? J, 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 j. Well done, very well. Good job. Let's link to some objects. We have jelly, jam, a jet, a jaguar, jollof rice maybe. Well done. It's time to blend with the sound we just learned. So let's try to blend a word j. We have e. Let's put it together first. J, e, j. Let's go again. J, e, j. And then we have t. So let's go. J, e, t, jet. Again. Jet. Fantastic.